Hey everyone, it's Mr. Wynn. I wanted to get a chance to introduce you to your new band director, Mr. Brandon Horton. He and I have been working together pretty closely the last couple weeks to make sure that he is prepared to step in to be your new band director here at Lowndes Middle School. He's recorded a short video to introduce himself and show you just how excited he is. I'm excited. You guys are in great hands. Thank you for the last 4 years. It's been a lot of fun. Real quick note, if you haven't signed up for sixth grade band yet, upcoming sixth graders, we will make sure that you get a chance to do so. It's not too late. We'll post the link again on the Facebook page and all the other social medias, as well as I will post the link at the bottom of this video um, as the video finishes up. So without further ado, this is Mr. Brandon Horton.
Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Horton. I'll be serving as the band director at Lowndes Middle School this upcoming school year. I can't tell you how excited I am to be a part of the Lowndes family and the Lowndes community. I'm super excited to begin working with you, turning you into awesome musicians and future bridgemen. See you soon.